It's just, I mean, look how beautiful that is. I don't know, we don't have to burn every tree and have it look perfect.
From a distance, everybody wants some attention. Money make a bitch go missing. Everybody on a little mission.
And there, it's all love. What was his name on Instagram?
We'll see. Typically they form fairly plentiful. This is what we harvest in areas where you can take that and spread it on the outside. The weird shit that we do with rams. You got plenty of room. But if there's only one tree leaf, that's your cedar for this one. And they do hit from age maturity, like the size of these bulbs. Whole garlic.
Yeah.
Was wonky, like they thought it was
Section. Just that one bulb I know I affected. So if there's like, in my area where there's only like, I'm gonna regret it, but it's worth it.
Good for you.
Yeah, just go down and pop each one right there.
There's not as much research on it medicinally because it's mostly looked at as a gourmet, but
yeah.
Where it's a little bit more moist to get the moss build up, but
we got our act together too.
I sold the cat.
Oh, okay.
that's the part that reroots.
Okay, cool.
No.
Props I've done.
Listen, if I had